Introduction. Dear friends, how do you go to school? By bus, by car, or by bicycle? You know, these all are the means of transport. Now let's discuss in detail some of the means of transport. Objectives. At the end of this course, you will be able to list the various means of transport. Identify various ways through which transport occurs. Dear friends, we all go from one place to another by different vehicles like bicycle, bus, car, train and airplane. The movement of people and goods from one place to another is called transport. Do you know that transport is carried out through various modes such as land, water and air? The vehicles used in these modes are not same. They are different from one another. For example, airplanes fly in air. Buses, cars, bicycles and trains move on land and ships move in water. Bicycles, scooters, cars, trucks, buses and trains. Bicycles, scooters, cars, trucks and buses run on roadways. What is meant by the term roadways? A roadway is a thoroughfare route or the way between two places which typically has been improved to allow travel by some conveyance, including a horse, a cart or a motorized vehicle. The trains run on special rail tracks. These rail tracks are called the railways. So we can say that railways are the road tracks over which trains run with the help of their wheels. You have seen boats, steamers and ships. These are the means of water transport. These vehicles run through waterways. Boats run in lakes and rivers, while ships run in deep and large water bodies. Lakes, rivers and oceans are the examples of waterways. You might have seen helicopters and airplanes in the sky. These are means of air transport. These run through airways. These vehicles have wings like birds that help them to fly in air. Summary. Now friends, let's summarize what we have learned. The movement of people and goods from one place to another is called transport. The different modes of transport are land, water and air. Railways are the road tracks over which trains run with the help of wheels. Roadways are the roads used by vehicles to move on. The way used to travel in water is called waterway. The way used to travel in air is called airway.